morning everyone. So today we're in a place called North Gigante Island. There's a set of islands here called Islas De Gigantes, which I think means Islands of the Giants. I'm not sure how many islands there are, but there are quite a few. But we've decided to stay in this one. This is one of the main islands around here. So we're right on the sea. And we're staying in this place back here. I forgot the name, but yeah, I'll write it down as usual. And today, just like a lot of the days here in the Philippines, we're going to be doing island hopping. So we're just waiting for them to take us there now. And yeah, we'll be heading out soon. So we're at the port now. We're just waiting for the boatman to arrive, and this tour is going to cost us 1,500 pesos, a private tour just for me and Carol. So yeah, we got a really good deal. We got that with the hotel that we're staying at. How long will you stay here?
About 30 minutes.
30?
Yes.
Okay. So this is our first stop. They said it's called Antonia Island, and we had to pay 40 per person for the entrance fees. Each place that we go, we do have to still pay for entrance fees. Got absolutely soaked on the way here. I think the ride was under 10 minutes as well. It was really quick. Usually on these small boats, when it's really choppy, they're a bit more delicate, but this guy who just didn't care, he was just smashing through the waves. So yeah, all our dry clothes are completely wet now. But as you can see from here, this place is absolutely beautiful. It looks like we're in a bay here. So all these are limestone mountain islands here. And you can just see loads of different ones spread out in the distance. So all these are different islands. I think there's only one other tourist boat here at the moment, and they're leaving. So yeah, it is pretty much deserted right now. Okay, off we go. Can already see straight away there's loads of corals around here. I probably won't even be able to walk, so I have to start swimming already. So we're at the second stop now. It was like just a minute around the coast. I don't even know the name of this one. And this one you just have to give a donation. There's no fixed price. So this one looks pretty cool because you basically have the rocks scattered around the beach. It's pretty cool because it's so shallow. So you can actually just walk down the coast, and check this out. So there's no beaches here, but yeah, you can just go checking out all the different rocks and stuff. So this place does look pretty epic. I'm not sure if I mentioned it in another video, but before we came to these other regions, I thought only Coron and El Nido had these kind of limestone rocks, but we saw it in Tables. Now we're seeing it here as well, so I guess loads of different areas of the Philippines has it. I always think it looks amazing, so yeah, maybe some other places that we go will have it as well. So we're now at our next stop. This one has a simple name. This is just called Sandbar, because that's what it is, just a big sandbar. So this is like the tip of the sandbar here, and it is a big strip. It goes all the way back there to that island. So that beach there is the first one that we went to, and then we went around the coast to that one over there. So this is a really good island hopping tour if you're someone that doesn't like being on boats for a long time, because it is literally just like 4 or 5 minutes. And I can see other islands with nice beaches over here, so maybe that's our next stop. We'll find out. So my guess was right, we did end up coming to that island that I pointed out before, and it's called Kabul Gao Island. I think it's one of the most popular ones here. Seems to have a viewpoint up there, so we'll probably head up there later on. Somebody has been creating these things, loads of them. So we tried going to that viewpoint. Pretty much everybody was taking like 10-minute photo shoots. So yeah, we just got out of there. We're not spending all our time on this island in a queue, that's for sure. So check that out. I'm not gonna go any closer, but that ship's just been stranded there since December. I can see some smoke coming out of it, so it looks like it's turned on or something. I don't know what's going on. I think I'll get my drone out again to investigate, and also to film the beautiful island, obviously. So the stop we've come to now looks almost identical to El Nido. Check this out here, easily the biggest limestone rocks we've seen so far. Really does look like the same. So the spot we've come to now is called Tanki. I think that's what the guide said. This is easily the most beautiful place on the trip. Probably one of the most beautiful places we've seen in the Philippines. Look at this. So you have this amazing saltwater lake here. The sea is just behind these cliffs and just literally surrounded by these huge cliffs everywhere. Just looks absolutely amazing here. Insane. And this water, crazy. Where is everybody, Carol?
They have left.
Yeah.
There's only us here.
Yeah, we literally have this place to ourselves now. I tried flying the drone, but I couldn't get any satellite signal to register the GPS location. So I was scared to fly it because if it disconnects or anything, it's not going to know where its home location is. And yeah, it's too expensive to lose. I think we're the only people doing the private tour. The place that we stay in didn't even offer a tour for us to be joined with other people. So yeah, it ended up working out better for us anyway. Guys, we got a mad goat, crazy goat on the loose. What the hell? The good things about staying in this place is it is facing west, so we get the sunsets. Beautiful sunset with the beautiful sound of the crazy goat. What more do you need? What is wrong with this goat, man? He doesn't. Dude, peace and quiet. Sunset time.
Just enjoy the sunset.
Yeah, so your dog knows what's up. Now Mr. Goat over here needs to chill out. Yeah, so everybody goes picking scallops, all the locals. The tide really does go far down. Mate, will you shut up? So they actually told us a crazy thing today. The mayor has closed tourism for this region starting tomorrow. Not just for foreigners, even for locals, from what they said. So we literally got the last day because of the coronavirus, right? So yeah, it's just crazy. If we didn't come today, if we just came a day later, we wouldn't have been able to do the island hopping today. And it's actually made us kind of worried for the rest of our trip in the Philippines, because we were planning on sticking around here, I guess. But if they keep shutting down all the places here, I mean, obviously we can't travel here, right? And yeah, I don't know. Even other countries might do the same. Anyway, I'll shut up because the sunset's literally going down right now.
Don't be a goat.
Yeah, don't be a goat.
Yeah.
Yeah. So like I said, yeah, we are a bit worried about what's going to be left of the rest of our travels from now on. But yeah, obviously health and stuff is more important. But yeah, I'll keep you updated on what's going on. We're still going to try and continue here in the Philippines. And yeah, we just have to see if they shut down any other areas. We're going to be heading to a place called Masbate tomorrow, hopefully. So yeah, stay tuned for that. And as always, drop a like on the video to help support us. Subscribe if you'd like to see more videos like this. Follow us on Instagram if you'd like to see where we are in real time. And we'll see you in the next one. So we'll doggo.